Application of law of sines. The course for a boat race starts at point A as in the figure to the right. It proceeds in the direction south of 40 degrees of east to point C. It finally returns to point A. Point C lies 8 km directly south of point A. Approximate the total distance of the race course. So, what we'd like to do is to find the total distance from race course for using law of sines here. So, we need to find lowercase c and lowercase a. So, in terms in using of the law of sines, we need to know both angle and other opposite side here. So, the angle A is 52 degrees. But we surely no idea what lowercase side A is. That's no longer side here. Lowercase c and its opposite is angle C, but we do not know its angle yet. Uppercase B is opposite lowercase b is 8 km. But we do not know uppercase b. This angle here is 40 degree angle. Must be the same in this angle side here, BCA. BCA must be 40 degree. And the angle here is 88 degree. First, we solve the A. Solve the A. A over sine of A, which equals to 52 degree. Equals 8 over sine of B, which is equal to 88 degree, multiplied both side by sine 52 degree. Cancel this one. A is equal to 8 over sine of 88 degree multiplied by sine 52 degree. A approximately, use the calculator to solve it. Eight divided by sine of 88 equals 8 point something multiplied by sine of 52 degree equals to 6.3-ish kilometer. Now, we solve C. C over 40 degree sine of C, which is equal to 40 degree, equals 8 over sine of 88 degree. C is equal to 8 divided by 88 sine of 88 degree multiplied by sine of 40 degree. C. Approximately. Use the calculator to solve this. 8 divided by sine of 88 equals 8 point something times sine of 40 degree equals 5 point-ish kilometer. So, find the perimeter of all of these. P approximately C approximately 5.1 and A approximately 6.3 and BA is equal to 8 kilometers. So, this is the calculator. .3 plus 5.1 plus 8. Add this A, B, and C is equal to 19.4. So the perimeter is 19.4. So that is the final answer.